Hello, this recording is to show students the basics of using Clever. To get started, open your Chromebook and log in. Click or tap the Google Chrome icon at the bottom of your screen to open Google Chrome. When students open Google Chrome, they should be taken immediately to the Clever login page. You will notice that a second tab automatically opens and takes the students to the Google search page. This is so that students may still perform Google searches. Students sign into Clever by clicking or tapping the Students Login with Google button. Students should then be taken directly to their Clever dashboard. You will notice at the top of your screen, there is a search bar for searching apps. There is also a navigation on the left for students to click and move quickly to each part of the page. Students can also scroll up and down the page to view the same content. Students may click the heart icon to favorite certain apps that they use frequently, and favorites are moved to the top of their page, where they can be accessed easily. Teachers may also send apps or links to the student through teacher pages. For students to access apps or links that the teachers send to them, they would just simply click on the teacher page, where they can view and access the links or apps. Lastly, at the top of the Google Chrome browser, there is a puzzle piece icon labeled Extensions. Students should click the puzzle piece icon and then click the small pushpin icon next to Clever. This will pin the Clever extension to their browser where it is easily accessed. That way, if ever they accidentally close their Clever tab, they can immediately click the Clever extension icon to reopen it. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.